Most people read at 200 words per minute. That is very slow. What if I told you that you could reach a speed of 1,000 words per minute in just a few weeks? And no, you don't need any special talents or expensive courses. By the end of this video, you'll have mastered the same techniques used by speed reading champions. Let's dive in. Here's the brutal truth. At an average reading speed, a 300-page book will take you about 10 hours to read. That's a whole weekend. Meanwhile, speed readers finish the same book in 2 hours and remember more than you do. The problem? Your school taught you to read incorrectly. They taught you to say every word in your head. It's called subvocalization, and it's your biggest enemy. Think about it. You can think at 1,000 words per minute, but your inner voice can only speak at 200. Your brain is literally waiting for your mouth to catch up with it. But here's what changes everything. Speed reading isn't about reading faster. It's about reading smarter. Your eyes can process information much faster than your inner voice is telling you. We just need to unlock that power. I'm going to show you 3 revolutionary methods that will increase your reading speed by 5 times, starting today. These are not theory. These are the exact methods used by champions who read over 2,000 words per minute. Method 1. Kill the inner voice. The first technique is to silence the inner narrator. Here's how. While reading, hum a simple tune or count 1, 2, 3, 4 in your head. This will occupy your inner voice so it can't slow you down. Try it right now with any text. Hum "Happy Birthday" while reading. It feels weird, doesn't it? But notice, you still understand the words. It's your visual processing taking over. Practice this for 10 minutes daily. Within a week, you will no longer need to hum. Your brain will learn to process words without sound. Method 2. The pointer method. The second technique is to become a master pointer. Use your finger, pen, or cursor to guide your eyes. It's not childish, it's scientific. Your eyes naturally jump around the page. This is called regression, going back to rereading words. It destroys your speed. The pointer forces your eyes to move forward smoothly. Start by moving the pointer a little faster than you're comfortable with. Your eyes will follow and adapt. It's like training wheels for speed reading. Pro tip, don't point to every word. Point to groups of 2 to 3 words. Let your peripheral vision catch the rest. Method 3. Power sharing. The third technique is to read in chunks, not words. Your brain can process multiple words at once, but you read one after another like a robot. Instead of reading, "The quick brown fox jumped over," try looking at it as chunks. The quick brown fox, the fox jumped over. Practice with newspaper columns. They are the perfect width for breaking into parts. Your goal is 3 to 4 words per part. Here's an advanced move. Use your peripheral vision. Don't look directly at each word. Look at the center of each fragment and let your eyes capture the surrounding words. Putting it all together, this is where the magic happens. Combine all 3. Reading without words plus pointing plus chunking equals reading superpowers. Start with easy material, articles, letters, fiction. Practice these techniques for 15 minutes a day. In week 1, you'll reach 400 words per minute. By week 2, you will reach 600. By week 4, you'll reach 800 to 1,000 words per minute. But here's the secret sauce. Don't worry about memorizing everything the first time. Cursive reading often takes 2 passes. The first for the main ideas, the second for the details. You'll still finish faster than someone reading once at normal speed. Warning about common mistakes. A quick warning. Avoid these beginner mistakes. Don't start with tutorials or technical materials. Build up speed with easier content first. Don't sacrifice all understanding for speed. Find your sweet spot. Usually about 80% comprehension at high speed is better than 100% comprehension at slow speed. And don't quit after the first day. Your brain needs time to readjust. Give it at least 2 weeks of constant practice. Your action plan starts now, today. Practice the humming technique for 10 minutes with any object. This week, add the pointer technique. Use it for all of your daily reading. Next week, master fragmentation with newspaper columns or blog posts. Week 3, combine all techniques with material of gradual difficulty. Week 4, test your speed with online reading speed tests. You'll be amazed at your progress. There you have it. 3 techniques that will increase your reading speed by 5 times. Imagine finishing reading books in hours instead of days. Imagine getting through your reading work in half the time. Imagine having time to read for pleasure again. The choice is yours to stop at 200 words per minute or unleash the true potential of your brain. If this video just changed the way you think about reading, hit the subscribe button. I release advanced learning methods every week, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Try these methods today and let me know in the comments which one worked best for you. Your reading transformation starts now.